Hey there, my name's Eric, and I want to help you, help me, help you. We're looking at a TicketsCAD installation here, and it's broken. And let me show you how. If I go to a new unit or I'm trying to add a location, the geocoder's not working. If I happen to click somewhere on the map, and by the way, this could be all sorts of problems, but this technique would be helpful. Um, we've got an issue here where the geocoder doesn't work. Let me show you how to gather some additional data. I'm going to go up to Tools, Browser Tools, and Web Developer Tools. And this will probably open much smaller on your screen. And there's a bunch of different tabs here, Inspector and so on, but I care about the network one. And we can see my browser is making pretty frequent requests to this top.php web page. It seems to be fetching, a version number, which is just a unique number here. When it changes, the page reloads. But what's interesting, I'm going to try to reproduce the geocoder not working. So if I click on the screen, I see there's a new network request here. And usually we see a 200, that's a normal thing, but a 400, or in this case a 404, is an error of some kind. So if we click on this, it'll pop open more details on the right-hand side, and I can actually see that this was a GET request to this URL. And I'm going to take that URL and I'm going to open it up on a new tab. Make sure it's in my clipboard. Going to copy that value. And I've actually already done this, but if we paste that into a browser and load that, we get a file not found, API no longer accessible via this URL. This information is immensely helpful in figuring out why something doesn't work. In this case, it looks like they just removed a trailing slash. It shows an example here of removing the trailing slash. We used to have a slash question mark, and we don't anymore. Anyhow, that was a super easy fix. Got fixed a while ago, but the version number was not incremented, so a lot of you didn't bother to install it, which makes sense. But anyhow, this is how we found what was broken when I fixed this in the first place. Also very important that you go to the config screen. Let me close this diagnostic window and take a look. I can see the ticket's version number. I can see I'm running on Linux. I can see what version of PHP I've got installed. I can see which version of the database I'm running. This information will help me help you. You may even find the fix taking a look at that diagnostic screen. So again, please give us a try. See if you can't figure out in the diag pig what's happening. That'll help immensely. Thanks.